Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Muhammad Jahid Hassan. I'm an English language teacher. Right now, I'm going to talk about a word, and the word is best. The spelling of this word is B-E-S-T, best. The meaning of this word is Shara ba Sharbottam. Here are some sentences using this word. A great colonial power was nearly bested by a few farmers. She is my best friend. The best thing to do would be to apologize. This is the best movie I've ever seen. He works best in the mornings. We all want the best for our children. £50 is the best I can offer you. So right now I'm going to drill two sentences from here. We all want the best for our children. 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 আমরা সবাই আমাদের সন্তানদের জন্য সর্বোচ্চ ভালো চাই। £50 is the best I can offer you. 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 আমি আপনাকে সর্বোচ্চ £50 দিতে পারি। Thank you very much.